Hi team. Good evening. This is Venkat here. I'm 47 years old. I'm from Hyderabad and I'm a solution architect working in the software industry. What have I achieved from the course? Be10x has been a wonderful course. It's been an eye opener. It's created a lot of awareness of AI tools. It has also expedited the way that I function at my job. Aditya is a mastermind in bringing the best and easy to use and relevant toolings that is right fit for our jobs, right? And I really liked the B10X course. It's got a lot of practical insights on day-to-day use of AI tools to help us in tasks like coding and preparing presentations and a lot of great good things, right? And ChatGPT has been, of course, the best and a wonderful experience, along with the numerous other tools that are taught by Aditya and his team, including tools like Perplexity and a lot of other good stuff. It's been a great experience. Aditya is really a mastermind at giving us the exact tools that we need to be 10x within our jobs. And I really thank the B10X team to make me a part of their family. Thank you very much.